Alam mo yung pakiramdam na paulit-ulit na lang yung buhay mo? Like, kakain ka, papasok, natutulog, tapos ulit na naman. Parang hindi ka umaabante. And I've been stuck on that kind of life for years. And until now. Pero, ngayon, gusto ko na magbago. Gusto ko na magbago ang buhay ko. And I will start that by reading this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This is the day one of my journey. Hindi ako perfect. And marami talaga akong bad habits. Alam ko yun sa sarili ko. Mabilis akong madistract, mabilis akong mawalang gana sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero naisip ko, kung hindi ko ngayon sisimulan yung pagbabago, kailan pa? Gusto ko ng pagbabago. Hindi fake, hindi pa cool. Gusto ko yung totoo. Kaya simula ngayon, i-record ko, mag-video ko ng mga steps na gagawin ko for the next few weeks. Kung saan ako nahirapan, saan ako natuto, at mali mo, magamit mo rin to. James Clear started with a personal story. Na-aksidente siya. Nawala ng function yung mukha niya, yung face niya. And a lot of rehab, months of rehab. But here's the thing. He didn't bounce back with some massive motivational speech. Dahan-dahan siya bumalik. One small habit at a time. That made me realize success isn't about doing big things fast. It's about doing small things consistently. May sinabi si James Clear dito sa libro na hindi ko malilimutan. And tumatak talaga siya sa akin. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. So if magsusulat ako araw-araw, I vote for being a writer. Or kung mag-practice ako ng chess araw-araw, I'm voting to be an athlete sa chess. This blew my mind. Kasi dati inisip ko, kailangan perfect agad. Kailangan maganda agad yung gagawin ko. Pero hindi pala. You just need to show up every day. Another concept na sobrang simple pero sobrang powerful. Ito yung 1% rule. Isipin mo na sa araw-araw mag-i-improve ka ng 1%. So after a year, you're gonna be 30 times better, right? Pero kung araw-araw pa ulit-ulit yung ginagawa mong bad decision, repetitive excuses, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a toxic trait. And I realized na hindi ko kailangan maging masyadong motivated. Right? I just need system. Yung madali sundan kahit na tinatamad ako. I'm not chasing for perfection. I'm chasing progress. Minsan, tinatamad pa rin ako. Tinatanong ko sarili ko, what's the point of doing this? Pero here's the takeaway. Yung kahit wala akong gana, kahit wala ako sa mood, tinatamad ako, basta meron akong system, gagalaw ako. Atomic Habits made me realize I don't need to feel ready. I just need to do it anyway. Addition sa habit na gagawin ko, idadagdag ko is, maliban sa pagbabasa, every time na nababangon ako, sa umaga, diretso ako inom ng tubig. Just 1 glass of water. And that's it. 1 glass of water every morning and then 10 pages of this book.